Here's another question I asked. It's how long should a cooling PM on a residential split system take from stepping out of the truck to stepping back in? The poll, 52% said 46 to 60 minutes. I think that is right on the money. So as a one-man company back in the day, I could take as much time as I wanted. And that was really, you have to weigh the benefit of the time you're spending against what you could be doing elsewhere. And a lot of times PMs are a loss leader, as in you're just continuing a relationship with a customer, so when they need something that you can actually make a profit on, you'll be the one doing it, as opposed to the PM, which you never make a profit on because it takes so much time and the cost is so low and you don't make a whole lot, if anything at all. It's just a way to stay connected to your customers. So I think allotting an hour is probably pretty fair. And if you get really, really good at it and you've been around for a while, you can probably do it a little bit faster than an hour. Thus, we have the 46 to 60 minutes, which was the 52%. The next one was over an hour. So our guys are spending a lot of time on that. In the comments down there, put what do you do on a PM visit that other people might not do? Do you clean coils? Because cleaning coils is one of those things you may or may not do. Evaporator is a may not for me. But you may spray down the condenser coil with a hose. How do you go above and beyond? Do you do measure quick testing? Do you tell them the capacity? How far do you go with your PMs? And how long do you take? Put it in the comments below.